Before Tantra associated with sex, rituals, and what you saw in the internet, the black magic, the taboos, it was the deep authority. It was connected with the source, the beautiful tradition, the lineage, Vijnana Bhairava Tantra. 112 meditation techniques given by Shiva to Shakti. Shiva and Shakti both were exploring the bliss, and this is the Vijnana Bhairava Tantra. So what happens then? How Tantra is associated only with the sex in the Western world and only with the black magic in the Indian subcontinent. Most with the rituals, because after the 7th century, Tantra associated with the Buddhism, there are Buddhist Tantra. Tantra becomes a part of the rituals, only rituals. In Vijnana Bhairava Tantra, Shiva is exploring 100 techniques which is directly connected with the experience. And these techniques are the techniques of meditation, the techniques of bliss. In this series, we are going to make a complete series on Vijnana Bhairava Tantra. I am going to upload the long videos on Vijnana Bhairava Tantra. So please connect here, you can comment. And this will be about the traditional Tantra only, the Vijnana Bhairava Tantra, 112 techniques. And now, how the Shiva and Shakti exploring the Vijnana Bhairava Tantra is started with the question. Shakti is asking question to Shiva. One thing we need to understand here in Vijnana Bhairava Tantra, that Shakti and Shiva is always together. They are not the two, but the one. One in the sense is they are one, the oneness, the bliss. And in the dimensions, the Shakti as an ecstatic bliss, and Shiva in the form, his total stillness. Shakti here is movement. The Kundalini Shakti is the power of manifestation, and Shiva is the stillness. And this is the beauty of Vijnana Bhairava Tantra. Also, because Vijnana Bhairava Tantra has 112 meditation techniques, it's much deeper than what do you really think. Why? Because these 112 techniques are directly connected with the breath, with senses. Even techniques on anger, attachment, fear, the bliss, space, nothingness, touch, and the beauty of the touch, heart chakra, anahat, sound. Sound is a very deep layer in Vijnana Bhairava Tantra. Sound is amazing. Sound, the techniques on sound, there are more than 20 techniques on sound, desire, senses, movement, dance, because dance is directly associated with Shiva. In Nat Raj, in Nat Vidya, there is a complete text, Nat Shastra, on this aspect. But we can say in the ragas, ragas are directly connected, associated with emotions. We have emotions of anger, emotions when we feel sad. And in Indian traditional music, emotions, there are ragas on each emotion. So in Vijnana Bhairava Tantra, we understand what is the emotion. And according in that essence, we can enter into the bliss. This is the real beauty of Vijnana Bhairava Tantra, that it has a dimensional energy. In how you are, what you are doing, wherever you are, you can enter into the bliss. You no need to wear whites, you no need to be long beard, you can work into bank, you can work anywhere, you can be just a daily labor or working in a corporate job. You can practice Vijnana Bhairava Tantra, a household or a renunciate person. So this is the beauty of Vijnana Bhairava Tantra. Tantra means liberation, that we are exploring the liberation within and outside into the oneness through the Shiva and Shakti. That's the beauty of Vijnana Bhairava Tantra. We are going to explore the entire series of Vijnana Bhairava Tantra. Please comment, share, so we can explore the traditional knowledge of Tantra. And this is coming directly from the source, Vijnana Bhairava Tantra, 112 meditation techniques. You can also explore deeper workshops with me on Vijnana Bhairava Tantra. You can DM me, send me email on yogashub@gmail.com. We can explore the Vijnana Bhairava Tantra directly from the source. In the source, there are Sanskrit sutras Each technique can complete in 2 or 3 sutras, and there are more than 180 sutras and 112 meditation techniques. Thank you.